day 5 of Vlogmas. It is Sunday and it is a late morning. We are off to a very late morning. We got home, I think it was like 1:30 in the morning or something like that. Yeah, it was like 1:30. We ended up doing like a super last minute trip to Sacramento. They were doing a light show in their Cal Expo little area, which is usually where they do like their state fair and all that. And so Francisco's sister messaged us that they were doing that and they wanted to go, so they invited us and we tagged along. Ended up being so cute. It was like $26 the entry, and then once you were inside you could buy food and pretty much like anything like states fairs or just fairs have in general. They had like some games and roller coasters and little things like that. But the light area was so cute. They had so they had two sections. They had one that was like more like dark, so it just had like low lit area, so I feel like you could appreciate better all the lighting they put there. And then they had an area where it was kind of like, okay, well, we don't know where to put it, and they just kind of threw it all in the middle, and it looked a little sloppy, like you didn't know where it started, where it ended, where you should walk through or not or whatever. So that was a little unorganized, but overall it was really pretty. They said online that it was supposed to be like millions of lights, LED lights, and then the roses that you guys will have seen by now that were lit up, they were supposed to have like 30,000 or something roses lit up, which was so cute. It was really, really pretty. So I was excited that we ended up doing that. It was a little far. It was a 2-hour drive for us, but I think it was worth it. And then we ended up having some deep fried Oreos, corn dog. What else did we have? We had sushi. So we ate a lot of food, and I think today we need to cleanse our souls. I don't know what we're gonna eat today, but Francisco's still asleep, and my sister and I are making ourselves a piece of toast with coffee, and then I think we're just gonna chill at home. I don't think we usually do groceries on Sundays, but I think I'm gonna do them tomorrow instead. And then we're supposed to do laundry, but I think we're gonna leave it for tomorrow. But I do have a few things to show you guys that came in the mail. And yesterday, oh my gosh. So I've been wanting a Switch, the new Switch that came out a few months ago, the Oled white one. And it's so hard to find, just like the PS5 and the Xbox S series or whatever. They're also hard to find. Like 5 come in stock and 6 get sold. Like, it's ridiculous. So we've been on the hunt because my sister got one and I thought it was beautiful and I needed one in my life. So we've been looking for them. Every time we call, they are out of stock. They're out of stock. And so Target has been getting them, but they sell out like super quick. So every time we look online, we call, they sell out. And yesterday there was one that was showing limited availability, but it like went into stock during the day. So we called. Good morning. How'd you sleep?
Okay. Stomach was hurting.
Told you there was gonna be something.
What did you say?
Stomach was hurting. All. I think the combination of the coffee and the sushi was not a good idea.
I think just eating late was not a good idea.
Yeah.
And all the junk we ate. We ate a lot of junk.
I felt like something was trying to go inside my stomach.
We should tell them if they want to go check out Fallovers.
Today?
Mm.
You're crazy.
What?
I made coffee if you want some. And then we were trying to call this one Target that's like, I don't know, 8 minutes from us, but it was out of the way from where we were going. But Francisco's sister and her husband, offered to take us because they were so kind. And we jumped on it. We said, yeah, sure, let's just go check it out. Well, finally, on our way there, they answered and they said that they had one left. They couldn't hold it. So we were like, all right, well, let's just try it
It
out.
was pretty far away, too.
No, it was only 8 minutes.
Well, yeah, but 8 minutes. It's not like it was nearby.
Oh, yeah. So anyway, we get there. I had low hopes, because after we've been searching for it, I didn't want to get my hopes up. So we get there. We were running inside. Like, we jumped out of the car. We ran all the way to the back. And we get there, and, like, nobody was helping us. I'm, like, panicking, thinking somebody's already bought it. Finally, the girl's there, and And she's like, oh, can we help you? Whatever. And I told her, I was like, oh, yeah, we're here for the Oled switch in white. And she's like, oh, my gosh, we have one left. I was like, oh, yeah, we called. And she's like, yeah, in the last 30 minutes, there's been like 7 people that have called for that same switch. But you guys are the first ones that show up. So we were like, oh, my gosh. So she gave it to us. She was like so excited, like probably as excited as we were to buy it, which was kind of funny. We bought it. We put it in our bag. And now we have it. So I haven't even opened it because after that, we came home, and that's when they invited us to go to the light show. So we just came, dropped it off, and then left for the light show. And I haven't even opened it, so we'll do that today with Francisco. And yeah, we already have games to play, so that's exciting. But yeah, yesterday it was a very eventful day. She sounds like a piano key. Hello. I don't know if you guys I have mentioned it, but he went bald over the summer and it never grew back. So we think that it's just not ever gonna grow back. He's just a bald man. Are your mommy's bald man? I'm so sorry. Okay, we won't show them. I'm embarrassing him. Say goodbye and we'll see you guys later. Hello everyone, it is 5:30. We just finished watching Single all the way on Netflix, and it was pretty cheesy, but it was a good movie. Anyways, I want to show you guys a couple things that I got because I have them just laying here and I wanted to show you. First up is this Too Faced package. This is what I got. The cinnamon swirl Too Faced eyeshadow palette. It's supposed to smell like it.
Oh, that's so cute. That's not cute.
I hope you guys can't hear that in the background, but this is what the outside looks like. How cute is that? And this is what the inside looks like. I thought it was so pretty. I saw Jessica Braun talking about it, and it has a mirror, of course. And she was saying that, yeah, she's right. It doesn't smell like cinnamon rolls very much. It smells like cinnamon. But, well, that looks creepy. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited to try this. I had bought one a long time ago, one of their holiday edition ones, but I returned it. So this one I'm excited to have. I haven't had a Too Faced palette in a long time, so hopefully this will be a good one. And she also mentioned that this one was like a very wearable type of palette, which was another reason why I wanted to get it. And during Black Friday they were having a sale. I think it was like 40% off or something, and free shipping and a bunch of things. So like out of all these shades, I feel like this is the oddest one, but I feel like all the other ones are very wearable, even not during the holiday. So yeah, I'm excited to have received that. So funny story, we went to do laundry, what was it, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Like 2 weeks ago, and I don't know what happened, but I lost 3 of my favorite black undershirts. Like, they're kind of like a ribbed shirts. I can't find them anywhere. I lost black socks, and Francisco lost black socks too. He's convinced I forgot them at the laundromat, but I'm convinced I didn't. But I don't know. I can't explain what happened. So I ended up having to go on a hunt for black shirts because I didn't have any long sleeves for this winter, which is kind of a bummer. And the ones I had bought previously, they were all from Target and they don't sell them anymore. So I bought this one from Walmart. This is from No Boundaries, and I got in a size large. They are very fitted, so it's like a ribbed material. Hopefully it'll show up. There it is. So it's like a rib material, and it has a Mockneck, which I really liked because when they're turtlenecks, sometimes they feel a little suffocating, but these mock necks are like perfectly there, so they don't feel suffocating, but they're still protecting you. And these I think were like $10 or something, or 12 for two. So I got it in a black, and I got it in a white, or a red. What am I saying? A red, and it came in a pack. And then I also got, I think, I also got these here. These are also the mock necks, and I got it in another black and this white, but this is not like a true white. It's like an off-white, which I actually kind of like. But I needed some basic undershirts, and then I got these, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna like very much, but I mean, they're just, I think these I'm gonna use more just like to lounge around, not so much to wear out. But they're just a basic, just a long sleeve. But it's like a really, almost like cheap material. See, it's like super see-through, but whatever. It was like $12 for a 3-pack, which came with a black, a white, and a gray. All right, so we got the Switch, and we have, I thought I had 5 games.
No, 4.
4? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know. Unless you. I don't remember. Yeah, 4.
All right, so we have already 4 games for the Switch. We have this one here, which is a new Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. And then we have Assassin's Creed, which used to be my favorite game. We also have the Super Mario Odyssey and Paper Mario, the Origami King. I don't know what that means. All right, so Francisca will be joining us now. So here we have the Switch. Yay! So we're going to open it. I was waiting for him to come back home so we could open it. Because apparently it's supposed to have like a super cool intro, according to my sister. But
Oh, you're building it up now.
you built it up.
No.
Yes. Are you looking at yourself in the viewfinder?
Yeah.
Alright, so it comes with the 2 controllers. And then, this is a screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the screen right there.
Does it come with battery already?
Bless you.
What's wrong with you, huh?
I'm telling you, something wrong with her nostrils. Wait, don't turn it on yet.
What?
Because it's gonna make like a whole thing. Oh, jeez.
Oh.
I can see everything.
It's all ruined. Oh no.
You already did it?
Oh wait, you can. Okay, it's asking for the controls, so we're fine.
Snapping.
Yeah, that was the intro.
Aww.
And that's only happens the first time you turn it on?
Yeah, it doesn't do it anymore.
That's it.
Or if it does, I haven't figured out how to make it do
Those kitties. Are those from,
I don't know what that's from. I think that's from Splatoon. I like the noise. Oh, Animal Crossing.
Oh, that's what it was. I thought it was. Fine, I'll be the princess. I'll be Pituca.
That guy.
Okay.
I'm about Fizz.
I don't understand why you put that. What does that even mean?
I don't know. Story mode? What if I don't want to do story mode?
What else are you gonna do?
I don't know. Figure it out.
Here we go!
Oh no.
All right, so we're gonna attempt to remove these acrylics that I have on. So I read online that you can do this, I don't know, like TikTok trick, or I don't even know where it started, but pretty much what you do is you get a bowl full of hot water, and then you mix in a bag acetone, some type of moisturizer. I'm doing the coconut oil, and then I'm gonna put some of this nourishing nail polish remover, which is not as strong as this one. And then you put a paper towel, and then you're supposed to soak them in for like 15, 16, whatever minutes, and it's supposed to come all off. So we're gonna try this right now.